welcome back to my channel. I figured out how to zoom in on this camera, so we're getting places. I still need to figure out coloring so baby steps, we're figuring it out. But as you can see by the title, we are sticking with, testing out new lip products. If you guys want to see some swatches on these new Milk lip balms, let's go. Okay, so these are the Balmade Hydrating Tinted Lip Balms with Electrolytes from Milk Makeup. These retail for $18 for, how much do you get? I'll see it when I open up the packaging because I don't see it on here. There are 7 shades. Let's see what it is. A moisturizing, clean, tinted lip balm filled with electrolytes for long-lasting hydration, a sheer splash of color, juicy shine and plumper looking lips. Formulation type lip balm. This non-sticky moisturizing lip balm melts into lips with a sheer tint and comes in 7 refreshing flavors. The electrolyte rich complex gives lasting hydration, while coconut and aloe extracts help soothe and condition lips. Clinically tested to not irritate sensitive skin. All right, so open this up. Very cute. Makeup has its moments of what's the thing right now, and I feel like lip balms but tinted or a little bit more pigmented are the thing right now. A couple years ago it was matte lipstick, then I feel like everyone kind of moved on to gloss, and now I feel like lip balm is the thing. So I guess let's try to do lightest to darkest. If it does stain a little bit, it won't switch up the swatches as much, and there's only 7, so I'll try all 7 so you can see what the color looks like on my skin tone. Can't open it. Okay, so packaging, very cute. I need a mirror. This is probably just gonna be clear. Wait. Oh, what shade are you? Hold on. Okay, so this is Electron. I thought it would just be clear, but it has a kind of iridescent sheen to it that looks a little pink purple-ish, but pretty much clear shade. Non-sticky. Okay, this is my brow. I did have lip liner on. Cute, and I could wear that on its own. Okay, next up I have Ion. Very cute here with the names. This smells good. It smells like candy. Okay, this is more of a milky with a pinkish hue, clear shade. Let's keep in mind these are lip balms. Cute. I would probably use this as a topper. I don't usually do more cool lip combinations on, but if I was going for one, I would put this one on top. And it smells good. Do you taste good? Do you taste good? It's got a little sweet taste to it as well, if any of it accidentally ends up in your mouth. Next up, this is Pump. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Because this is the clear that has more of a brownish tint to it. So for my darker skin girlies, my darker lip girlies, this is the clear. This is the clear. I'm gonna do a lip combination by the end of this video, and I'm gonna use this as a lip topper. Wait a minute, I like this one. What do you pump it up? Next up is Refresher. I think we're about to get into ones that are a little bit more pigmented, they look a little bit more, at least. Or maybe not. Hold on. Do we need to shake these? Hold on now. They smell really good. Maybe not. No, not that they don't smell good. I mean, maybe not. We're about to get into ones that might be a little more. Okay, that is what Refresher looks like on. This is another one that is clear, but has a little pinkish hue to it. And I would say this is probably, if you're looking for one that has a little pink as opposed to nude, for deeper complexions or darker lips, you might like this one. Cute. I think I'm still sticking with Pump though, as my favorite so far. Already more than halfway through. What are you? You are Workout. I don't know if you're supposed to shake them or not. I just feel like maybe you should. This smells a little more like bubblegum. It's like they do smell the same, but some of them have like slight changes in them. And it's clear, but has more of that like bubblegum pink hue to it. So that is, this is cute as well. I know you're like, girl, they all look the same, but like they have slight hue differences to them, and you can notice them. At least I can. I like her. She's cute. This is cute. Wait a minute. And these are, oh, I got it in the corner. It's giving I'm starting to drool, child. That was the gloss on here. Please don't try me. There's definitely ones that you like throw in your bag for travel, for everyday use, just so you can always make sure your lips are moisturized, they're shiny, they're glossy. Don't nobody want dry lips outside. What were you called? That was Workout. This is Juiced. I wonder if this is gonna smell like grapes. If you notice that I only have 2 pinky press-ons left on, no you didn't, okay? I had to take my I'm in the process to take my press-ons off to put different press-ons on because Beyonce's coming to Atlanta. Hello. It does kind of smell like grape. I like that. Hold on. Oh, wait. Okay, obviously this has a milky purple hue to it, but it's still, you know, pretty light pigment. Again, for the girlies who like that, like kind of Pepto-Bismol, but Pepto-Bismol is still a little pinker than what I'm thinking of. But that type of like cool pink, little muted pink with brown lip liner, I feel like you would like this as a lip topper on that type of combination. I feel like y'all know the lip combination that I'm talking about. This would be good for that one. Not necessarily my thing, but you got options. All right, y'all, one left. This is Quench. Keep this in your bag for them thirsty. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh. Oh. This is probably the most pigment that we've seen out of all of them that didn't have that kind of like milky, little underlying white to it. Deeper complexions. I mean, lighter complexions can use the shade as well, but deeper complexions. This shade on its own, this and Pump. Look how brand new I am. I already forgot that the other one was called Pump, but these two are the ones that I would wear on its own. Throw it in my bag and keep it on again if I just need to reapply so my lips are not dry and like it won't look crazy on, it won't look milky on or anything like that. Those two, yeah. All right, y'all, so that was all 7. I like this. This is a lip balm, so I wasn't expecting it to wear like gloss or, you know, lipstick, anything like that. I thought there might be a little more pigment in some of the shades just off of the like packaging and whatnot, but they're all pretty much, you know, like a clear lip balm that has little pigment and little different hues to them. Like I said, very simple for throwing in your bag and going about your day. Lips definitely feel hydrated with this on. It is not sticky or anything like that. And those 2 shades, Quench, Pump, I'm here for those 2. The other ones I would probably use in passing, and those are the ones I be telling y'all how sometimes you try a product and you're like, there's not necessarily anything wrong with it, but you could put it down and forget about it, and then when you come back to it, you're like, oh yeah, that was good when I tried it, but I kind of see why I forgot about it. But those 2 shades, oh, they gonna make their rounds. They going straight in the bags so that I can always have lip balm on me, and they're very flattering colors. Because sometimes with like lip balms or just like chapstick, stuff like that, you throw them in the bag, but they have that kind of like white hue to them where it's like you put it on, but your lips still look dusty with them on. So I like the like kind of tinted lip balms and whatnot, because I want my lips to look hydrated, but like I also want my face to look cute even if I don't have makeup on. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Let me know if you were thinking, oh, and this is like $18. That's not that bad. I know like you can go get chapstick for $2, but you know, considering some of their competitors, that's not that bad. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, if you tried it for yourself, if you have any plans to. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. If you do not follow me on Instagram and TikTok, go ahead. It's the same username. I post shorter content over there. I talk a little bit more over there as well. I'm gonna start bringing some of that back over to YouTube. It's just, you know, you start talking and now you got 18,000 people upset at you in the comments over a comment set. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.